funk. A troll. What the hell?
Right there.
Really? Uh-oh. Oh shit. What is this, like Pac Man or something?
Yeah, Pac Man.
Here it goes. Starts. Pick up. 3 pieces.
Are you ready? Start.
Find all the keys in the maze. Stars help when taking. Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ, man. I hate the mazes.
One thing I don't have to worry about is how it thumbs.
It's true. Jesus Christ, man. I hate mazes.
Oh, that's cheating.
Are there 3 of them?
I wish they have 2, 3 Pac Man.
Scarier if he wasn't wearing a fez.
Yep. So, do you like sneak around or anything? There's big keys, so. Big keys you gotta get, girl. Check. Oh, so it is like Pac Man. So if they see you, then yeah, okay. Baka, 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 baka.
Hey.
Juliet, can I ask you something sort of sensitive? My face is stuck in your butt. Can you move it?
My face is stuck in the floor. Shit, man. If I was Nick, I would love to have my face ripped off.
Yeah, don't be such a queer man.
Sure, man. Don't be such a little bitch, man.
Yeah. You know that's a delightful dream.
Delightful dream. Yes, indeed. Unless you fart, that shit's not good.
Why can't kill him?
Burns fire. Ooh. Baka, 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 baka. Go, get out of there.
Oh, good. Wait, I'm gonna try.
No. Jordan, Jordan.